Hello, everybody. How is everybody doing today? Dominica coming to you live on Facebook once again. I am so excited to be here. I just want to make sure that I am live and that you can see me. Okay, it seems like I am here. So, welcome, everybody. I'm not too sure how many people are going to join me live today because I haven't announced this live stream anywhere. I cannot see the comments on my laptop, but it's okay because I have my phone beside me. And if you guys are commenting, I am going to just check. So I think that hopefully you can hear me. Let me see. Yeah, seems like the voice is working. I just didn't want to speak before I made sure. So let me just share myself. Give me 1 second. Say hello when you are jumping on. 1 second. Let me see if I can share. Okay. Hello, everybody. Give me a replay in the comments. And if this is the very first time you're catching me live, let me know as well, because this is also exciting and something that, I would love to know. So today I have decided to go live because I have something so incredible to share with you guys. I think it's gonna blow your mind. Okay. So I didn't even plan to go live. I just am so excited that I wanna share it with you. And I am going live through my laptop to share my screen with you. I don't normally do this. I don't normally do this. Normally I just go live on my phone. But today I want to share with you something. And that's why I'm on my laptop. I'm live streaming this through Zoom. And I cannot see any comments for now, but that's fine. It should be all good. I know that a lot of you guys will be watching on a replay. So that's fine. But today I want to share with you my favorite passive income stream. And today I have been brainstorming some book ideas. What should be my next book? Some new books that I will create over the next few weeks. And what I have done was I have started looking at the books I already have. So in case some of you guys don't know, I am a self-published author. I have self-published over 50 books by now. And I have had multiple bestsellers, and I have even helped other people achieve bestsellers as well. So my favorite passive income stream is publishing books on Amazon and selling books on Amazon. Okay. So just so you know, this is what I'm talking about. I'm not talking about MLM, network marketing, building a business. I'm talking about books. Okay. And so today I've been going through a process of what kind of books can I create next? Because I wanna grow that income even further. And I started looking at the books I already have. And what shocked me was that one of my books, only one of my books, have made over 140 euro. So that's over $140 in 1 month in December 2025, without me running paid ads, without me promoting this book. And the people that bought it from me, they don't even know me because I have self-published it under a pen name, which is so cool, right? And I want to show you guys the Amazon listing, and I want to show you my dashboard so you can see that this is real. So let me see if I can share the screen. Should be fine. So I think this is sharing. I hope it's all good. So this is my book, okay? It's a simple activity book for kids that I have made in just a couple of hours. I used AI to my advantage, right? But I created this all by myself, and then I have it up on Amazon. So here it is, okay? Just so you can see it. And this is my book, okay? This is the book. I have it in my hands. It's one of my bestsellers, a simple activity book. Okay. And here I added some beautiful illustrations to it, which majority of people don't even know how to add. And I also made a second version of that book as well. So people that buy this one they might also want to buy this one. So this is a great way to make more money through Amazon. Okay, but I want to show you my royalties estimator. This is real. As you can see, I just switched the tab. Okay, and I filtered it to show you how much one book can make. Bear in mind, some books make more, and obviously some books can make less. But I just want to show you this particular example. Okay, this simple activity book I've made, and I filtered it so that only this one book shows up. Okay, just this one, no other ones, because I have over 50. This is to show you what's really possible with Amazon. Okay, so this one book in December 2025 have made me over 140 euro, just that 1 month. And it sells every single month without me running any paid ads, without me promoting it, without people knowing that they're buying it from me, because I have published it under a pen name. And here it is, okay? Majority of my sales were in the US, as you can see, but I have had like, some sales in Canada as well in December. But this book sells every single month, like every single month on autopilot for me without me doing any extra work. This book literally sells when I sleep, when I travel, when I spend time with my family, when I work on different projects, when I am going on a walk. I wake up every single day and I'm like, there is another sale of this simple activity book. Okay. And I wanted to show this to you guys because I know that so many of you want to start making money, but you guys don't know how to go about it. You guys, a simple book like that, 143 euro, just from that one book that month. I have over 50 books, so you can do the math, okay? A simple activity book, anybody could create, anybody. It's nothing special. Then I made a second version of it. So people that buy this one, they buy this, or vice versa. And it's also so simple. Anybody could have created it, okay? And I know that a lot of you would like to learn how to do all of this. You want to learn how to create your own books. You want to learn how to make your own book covers, how to write a bestseller. And I can teach you all of that. So I know that a lot of you already know I have a whole program where I can teach you how you can do it, how you can learn how to find a good book idea, then create a version, like create an original version of that book yourself, and then how to upload it to Amazon, how to stand out from competition. I can teach you all of this, okay? It's not difficult. You just need to make a decision that you want to do it. There are lots of ways to make money online, okay? I've tried it all. I've tried network marketing, MLM. I've tried like different kinds of stuff, but this is the easiest way to make money, in my opinion. It pays me every single month since I started doing this since 2023. Okay, so 3 years after. I have books that pay me after like a year of publishing them, 2 years after publishing them, 3 years after publishing them. And my portfolio of books is growing and growing, and my income is growing as well. And now I want to help you do the same. So I have created something from my heart. It's called KDP program. And the feedback is so amazing. Another lady just joined yesterday. She just messaged me before I went live. She said, Dominica, I started watching the lessons inside the KDP program and I love it. It's so amazing. I already started creating my first book. I'm like, how awesome is that? Okay. Another beautiful lady that's inside my program just published her second book. She messaged me saying, Dominica, I am so excited. I published my second book. Thank you so much. This program is the best of the best. She told me I helped her achieve her dreams, follow her dreams, because she always wanted to become an author. And those are only two testimonials. I have more, and I am just beyond grateful and proud of the fact that people are sharing these beautiful testimonials about my program, because I really created it from the heart. I want to help you guys make money online. I don't want it to be just like another course or stuff that you're not going to benefit from. I want you to be able to make money of this. And so my program contains of over 50 lessons. You guys, over 50 lessons. And the lessons are not something that it's like, oh, they're just basic, they're generic. No, they are specific to help you make bestsellers, how to create everything, how to stand out from competition, how to use AI to your advantage, how to edit your own work. I teach you creative writing. I teach you promoting, paid and free advertising. So paid advertising is not essential, but it's covered inside the program as well. And I am literally so excited because so many people have already published their books thanks to my program, and they already started making money thanks to my program, and they are now growing their portfolio of books. And you can be next if you choose to. So if you would like to find out more information about this program, let me know in the comments. You can comment books below or just message me, and I'll be more than happy to share with you more information about it, what it involves, like who it's for, so that I can guide you. You can join, for lifetime access as a membership right now. So that's exciting because the membership is no commitment. You can join and cancel anytime you want. You can join for a month, put your head down, learn, and then just apply everything you have learned. You can stay for longer. You can register for lifetime access. But yeah, it's totally up to you. And then, because even though this course is pre-recorded, you still get full support from me. I'll be there to support you throughout your journey. You can always email me. You can always contact me if you have additional questions. So you won't be doing this alone, okay? And I would love to have you in. If this sounds like something you would like to pursue, just let me know. I'll send you more information so that you can register and you can start creating your own books. But that's pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys today, because I am so excited. Like this book idea came to me randomly one day, and I was like, why not create this? And I used AI to help me, to guide me, to see what else I should, include in this. Then I just pulled up Canva, I created it, I made the book cover for it, so beautiful, right? And then anytime a customer buys my book, Amazon prints it and ships it directly to the customer's house. So I don't have the books at my house and I ship them to people. No, Amazon does it all for you. They will print it, they will ship it. If a customer has any questions about their package, they don't contact you, they contact Amazon. Amazon does it all for you for free, okay? You earn royalties on your books, and it's passive income. You make the book once and it can sell multiple times on autopilot for you. It's literally that simple. And I love it so much because I wake up every single day and I check my dashboard and I'm like, oh my goodness, this book sold. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, the book sold in Japan. Oh, the book sold in US. And it's just so exciting. And I am so grateful to the old me who started doing this, because I was also afraid. I was unsure, but I was like, you know what? If I don't start, I'll just never know. And I started doing this when I worked a normal, regular 9 to 5 that I didn't like. And then it helped me quit my 9 to 5. So, can you make money off this? Yes. I have already made more than I have invested into this, into learning the programs and all that stuff. So, if you would like to learn more about my KDP program, or you have any questions in relation to that, to know if this is something for you, I'll be in my DMs for the next couple of hours. You can ask me your questions, and then if it feels right for you, you can join my program if you like. And like I said, lifetime access or membership as well, but we can talk more about that. So you can comment below if you want information, or you can just message me directly and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. So thank you so much, everybody, for joining me live, for watching on the replay. I don't see any comments. Let me see if I can see anything, just to make sure there's like no questions. Okay, it doesn't seem like there are any questions for now. Like I said, feel free to drop your questions here in the comments, or just message me so that I can answer them. It's probably best if you message me because it's easier to answer. I can send you a voice note and we can talk about it. So I appreciate your time. If you know anybody who would benefit from today's message, anybody who would like to publish a book or start their own passive income stream, please share this video with them, because then they might be like, oh, actually, like, I want this, and how else can they find me? you know let's help one another. I always love sharing other people's work, as well. So yeah, if you feel like you know somebody who would benefit from this, they want to find out, please share it with them. Let me see. Oh, Betty, it's here. How are you? You are a gem to the world of writers. You are just so sweet, Betty. It's so awesome. She's also a writer, she's a speaker, and yeah, just she's a Christian as well. So she's my sister in Christ, and that's just so beautiful. Okay, you guys, if you have any questions at all, feel free to message me now. I would love to support you, and let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. I am on a mission to help more people publish books this year, and let's make it you. Let yourself be next, because anybody could do this. Not everybody will, but anybody could, and I can walk you through everything. You don't have to do it alone. So if you want to find out more, just drop me questions and I will be there to support you. Thank you so much, everybody, for your time. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye bye.